Salutations everybody, ᴹᵁSpeedy here, oh wait, Salty here, and welcome back to another episode of Chronicles of Unboxing. ᴹᵁSᵢᴄꜜ. I've done this show for a considerable amount of time now, and the last 5 videos were solely Chronicles of Unboxing, and I haven't uploaded everything else. I agree that it's getting tedious. But it's hard to introduce new shows to this channel and also make them look interesting and attract people. But there are new shows coming. Let's just say that this channel is now in a state of contingency. Let's just say that this is a juncture of the tiresome epoch of this channel. Let's just say that this is a box from canon. The theme of this episode is the addressee of this baggie. ᴹᵁSᵢᴜᴜ. We are talking about endoscopes here. AliExpress endoscope, link in the description. Just everything from AliExpress. Let's see if the bag can furnish me his content using a pizza slicer. Apparently not. Where does this go in? Android and PC endoscope, so powerful and smart. Android and PC endoscope, so powerful, so smart. Let's see if it fits in the computer. So I downloaded PC.war. In PC.war is a folder called View Play Cap. That is a kind of Google Play name. Ah, fuck. Oh, ah. Alright, let's see if this box opener works. Alright, I think we have a box. Well, how poor there. Let's see if we now have a knife. Let's see what is in this box. What is in this box? You know what is in this box. Canon EOS Rebel SL2 100D is in this box. Stop calling shit different names, America. Now I don't know what is in this box. Wow, cool camera. What's this in this box? Copyright Ash time. Yes, I've bought a 200D, a really expensive camera, but there are a couple of reasons for that. More on that later, on the end of the episode. First, I will go through the review unboxing. Quick reference guide. It's not quick. Charger, battery, kit lens, cable 4 charger, that's pretty cool. Ah, strap. Cash time. Off. Battery is already in. Battery is already in furnished. I mean, battery is already devoid of power. If there was antecedent power anyway. I need to charge the battery. While we charge, we should probably look at the comments to burn time. Is this guy really selling merch? No. Is this guy really selling merch? No. Is this guy really selling merch? Is this guy really selling merch? Is this guy? Yes, but you probably should be doing more research because now the comment backfires. Wanna buy this? All proceeds go to me and not you. If you are European, don't buy this because then you're buying a pajama. Look how thin it is! Here's a thing I forgot to extract from the loose object in the last episode. Let's open it while camera is charging. Now the object is packaged. Whoa, a woman. I will furnish it on my shirt. There you go. So the flip screen is level with the camera. Which means if you want to close it, it gets stuck on the floor or anything that you want to put it on. Which is kind of irritating. I would have had the screen a bit higher. But it's a kind of a huge design. I will show it on the object here. Oh, you fucking why? Oh, you know, you don't have. I'm also going to buy a better memory card. So there are a couple of features that make me buy this DSLR. First of all, there's 60 frames per second on it. Well, that's not true, it's 50 frames per second. Little bitches. And there's also full HD on it. Another cool thing about this DSLR is that it has a sort of focus meme or something. You can use the touchscreen for focusing. Focus. Okay, now I'm blurry. Let me just bring this around. So there's a microphone that we can use. To be honest, I don't know if it is going to work or not, because, well, no need for an explanation for that statement.
Whoa, that sounds dolphin smooth.
Okay, so I'm switching back to this one again, because I want to do some tests. So this is a Puluz that I have here right now. This thing is a rotating stand. So if I click this one in, see that? So if I screw this on the camera, can it still turn? Because if you screw this on that camera, it does turn, but this is a lot more heavy. Holy God. It's not that stable, to be real honest with you. Fuck. Okay. I think we are good. So this is how it looks like from this part. Really that's useful. Oh Jesus Christ. Okay, I can't say that. Oh Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Camera switched. Alright, now that is all out of the way. Let me explain why I bought this camera. The most important part why it is broken. I will click picture view. That's not how it's supposed to react. This thing here is broken. Right, but still, point and shoot is good too if you're starting. I've started with this. I'm still in love with this. I will still use it. I'm not going to give it away. So, alright, that executes this episode. That sounds wrong. If you despised this episode, please furnish me a like. And if you unequivocally approve my content, please furnish for a free subscription on my YouTube medium of detritus called ᴹᵁSᵢᴜ. But I'm going to say farewell to you individuals, along with go procreate up some harlots tonight. And I will say, harmony fucking out.